are going to keep posting the video. Welcome to summerautoparts. After 1 year to prepare, we are ready for our new Range Rover Sport accessories. So from these videos, we are going to keep posting the videos for you guys to reference what kind of the accessory we are ready and how's it look after we upgrade from the original Range Rover Sport. To be honest, they are not too much different from the facelift for the low profile car and the high profile car. And most customers wondering to buy the front grille for the bumper lights and the front bumper trim. Also that including the side vent and the bottom vent to be the black edition. But we don't want to make the similar in the market, and we do our design, which is a light kit. So follow my videos. Let's check our car after the light kit for the front facelift. As you can find, our light kit is including the front grille, the bump lights, and also the side vent lights. And this one we make the electronic car ideas, the concept idea to make our new Range Rover Sport with LED trim. So when we open the cars, it will come in with dynamic LED, coming with the headlights and also the fog lamp. This is a daytime running light, and when we open our fog lamp, it will be start working. And also on the side vents, we can find our side vents with the LED trim. It's more technology. When we go parking on the parking port, we will find it looks much more lovely. And this is our side vents with LED. We can check the videos after we start the engine, and you will love it. The original Land Rover, they coming the aluminum bonnet, which is painting as the body color, and I want to make some difference, so we are making the new mood tuning, make it carbon fiber. So we can find that this is our carbon fiber bonnet, which with the painting color on the carbon fiber bonnet, and it makes the two double colors. And we can check our inside parts. The inside parts, they are coming the carbon fiber too. After we open the engine bonnet, we will find that the back side is still the white one. This material is aluminum, and it's just normal. And if we want to make it more sporty, that is not enough to match our demand. So we can check our carbon fiber ones. This idea coming from the SUV concept, and we make the both sides with the carbon fiber. We can move the camera to check the details. Most of the bonnet in the market, they are making the aluminum on the back side, and just the front face, the front side is the carbon fiber. But we make the both sides is dry carbon fiber, which is more light and more sporty. If you want to do fast driving on the road, we can find the details of the bonnet, and you will love it so much because it's lecture and also the design with the color painting, that's much nice for this car. To be honest, the original shape of the car is really nice, but some customers still want to make it much more sporty and much more wider on the outlook. So we got the ideas from market, and we designed the rear spoil. And we can find this rear spoil with a little bit angle to make the car roof is a little bit angry, and it looks more sporty. And this material is carbon fiber ones. After that, we make a middle rear spoil, which is also carbon fiber material, and that will match the car, the shape, design, the angle, everything is matched. And some customers thinking about the carbon fiber is a little bit expensive, so we have another option is a black edition, and you can choose a plastic black edition for the rear spoil and the middle spoil for your lovely car. About the wheel rims, we can find for the original car, it's coming with a 20-inch and 21-inch, which is too small for these big cars. and we can find the 22-inch and the 23-inch is much more better for the Range Rover and the Range Rover Sport, and I prefer 23-inch. So check my car after we change the forged wheel rim 22-inch, how that looked. This is the SV design, and we make the two color bronze and the finishing chrome for the new Range Rover Sport, and 22-inch, but I think it's not enough, so I will upgrade to the 23-inch to make the car look much more wider and the big, and we can find the details. We use the 23 design. The wheel rim cover is so nice. I do my personality to suggest you guys to choose this one. It's really nice to make your car look more luxury. I hope from these videos you guys will get some information you want to know more about our accessories for upgrade the new Range Rover Sport. And after that, we have two kind of design for new Range Rover Sport. One is our Joe design, one is market ones, but you will love it. So follow my videos if you have a chance to keep getting information about the new Range Rover Sport accessory. Just follow summerautoparts and give me your likes for my videos. Thank you very much for your watching, and see you next video. Bye bye.